Just a handful of species are used in the standard Australian reforestation project. But FAME and ReForest Now are doing things a little bit differently. In the last 2 years, we've been collaborating on a very exciting project called the Enrichment Program, with the aim to recreate ultra-high diversity rainforest ecosystems. Together, we are rebuilding parts of Australia's former largest rainforest, the Big Scrub, over 99.6% of which was cleared between 1850 and 1880. There are still 450 endemic species to work with, many of which can recover, many of which have enough genetic diversity remaining if we go and sample them and rebuild their ecosystems. It's done like this. Ecologists are sent out to assess forests for what rainforest species have survived and structure from the colonial clearings of the 1850s through the 1880s. Our ecologists determine what belongs there, what is recruited naturally, and as the ecosystem tries to stitch itself back together, we help. We then prepare from our nursery from a list of appropriate species, local, and then we set out to massively increase diversity in the rainforest, oftentimes from around 20 species to well over 100. With FAME, we have done this already for 24,000 trees using 203 species of native rainforest plants, shown here. In the first year, this was at 6 sites, and in the second year, we did another 7. The entire ecosystem type that we enrich is critically endangered. Our strategy with FAME hits the issue of species loss from the top to restore the landscape level habitat diversity and give struggling species a chance to get what they need. Additionally, all of these threatened species have been planted as part of the first 2 years of this program in their own right. This has created 13 new bastions for these endangered species, popping up throughout the landscape so that in the case of natural disasters or disease, there are more colonies that can survive and spread out. We lost colonies of endangered species in the last big bushfires. We must create more pods in more places to ensure their survival. Australia has the record for the highest mammal extinction rate of any continent in the world in modern history. We now have a chance to turn this around before we lose any more of our endemic species. No one else has what we have, and it is in our responsibility and honour to care for them. Let's rebuild and assist nature's strength, supporting the structures to redevelop to the point that ecosystems are self-repairing. With enough stitching of the web of life, it naturally reaches a point where they will help each other. This phenomena actually has a name. It's called ecological resilience, the ability for self-repair. The Enrichment Program is firing that off in a powerful, exciting new way, with plans to continue into the future and to reach even more landholders. Thanks for your time.